Hello everyone, my name is Cedric Chuma and I'm here at the 95th Annual Cultural and Commercial Show where we are official media partner for Prudential Zambia. Today I am joined by Mwape Mwanza, who is Senior Manager, Agency Development. Mr. Mwanza, how are you doing?
Very fine, Cedric Chuma. How are you?
I'm good. How are you finding the show?
Very exciting. I can see a lot of people actually moving around, a lot of exhibitors, both local and international, and I can see a lot of security. So I'm happy to be here.
Right. That's great. So Prudential has been in the market for a while in Zambia. How are the public responding to your offerings or products?
Well, I can say we are doing very fine. We are a number one life insurer in Zambia. We have moved from the fourth position to the first position as a market leader.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And we have been growing exponentially. Our customer base has been growing from strength to strength. So is our agency force, just to try and meet the demands of our customers. Yeah. We have seen a lot of challenges, and one of the painful challenge is COVID-19 that hit everyone. But at Prudential, we have been very, very innovative to try and provide financial solutions for our customers, and this has made us actually continue to grow from strength to strength.
So that's a very, very interesting point you raised, that during COVID, you managed to sort of hustle through it. I think it's testament of your resilience as Prudential. And you talked about innovation. Maybe we'll see COVID-19 insurance, yeah?
Yes.
For the next pandemic. Yeah.
We'll be ready. Actually, we look into our future. Our products actually are futuristic.
Yeah. So Prudential has positioned itself as a long-term personal investment player. How does your product compare with the rest of the market, and why should consumers choose Prudential?
Oh, that's a very, very nice question. I must state that just from the onset that this is a very, very special year for us at Prudential, as we are celebrating 75 years of business existence in Asia and in Africa. Our origin story here within Zambia is very, very inspiring, and we have been changing lives for within 6 years of our existence here in Zambia by offering quality products and services to our customers. We provide products that are actually suiting the different needs of our customers. So we do understand that customers do have different needs, and at Prudential we do provide financial solutions to our customers. So what we are doing in the past 175 years, we have empowered our customers to have, pure, or let me just say, excellent business experience. They have this financial investment knowledge at their disposal that they can use to make, financial decisions. So we are very, very happy actually as we celebrate 175 years of business existence in Asia and in Africa, providing customers with this experience. It's been a very, very nice journey for us. Yeah.
I think it's very amazing that you've existed for 175 years, and 6 years in Zambia. It's evidence of you guys focused on the needs of your people, that no matter what times change, Prudential is always there to change with you in the most efficient way.
Yes, we'll be here for our customers for as long as we live.
I think that's amazing. So, what are some of the key testimonials you have received regarding your product, and why do you believe you have return clients?
So at Prudential, we pride ourselves in customer satisfaction, as well as making sure that our customers have the best customer experience. So we ensure that we get feedback from our customers on our product offering, so that we keep on innovating our products so that we keep satisfying our customers. We are a very customer-centric organization, and through this feedback that we get from our customers, we keep on innovating products that meet their needs, and these satisfied customers in turn actually refer our products or recommend our products to other customers who actually join our Proof family, and by so doing, I think we'll continue as a business to ensure that we help people get the most out of their lives.
Oh, that's amazing. Get the most out of their lives. I think
Mhm.
that one has stood out for me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being part of the FIZ Shorts, and we are excited to be your official media partner, and all the best with the show, and looking forward to seeing more of Prudential.
Thank you very much, and I'm very happy to be part of this agriculture and commercial show this year. And we are inviting all the customers to come through and visit our table so that we can educate them on our financial solutions that we offer to them.